Welcome to Trading Nuances. In this video, we discuss about why should one trade the securities market. What is trading? What does trading involve? Trading involves buying and selling. What do we buy and sell? We buy and sell financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, currencies, and commodities. Why should we buy and sell? The purpose to buy and sell is to earn a profit from price fluctuations. To summarize, trading involves buying and selling financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, currencies, and commodities with the goal of earning a profit from price fluctuations. Trading is a core function in the financial markets, enabling liquidity and price discovery. Benefits of trading. Financial freedom. Trading provides the opportunity to generate income independently, potentially leading to financial independence. It allows you to manage your earnings and over time build wealth outside of traditional paycheck. Flexibility. Trading can be done from anywhere at any time, offering unmatched flexibility compared to traditional 9-to-5 jobs. This flexibility allows you to create a schedule that fits your lifestyle and personal commitments. Continuous learning. The trading journey is one of perpetual education. Markets are always evolving, and so are the strategies required to succeed. By engaging with market analysis, technical indicators, and economic trends, you enhance your decision-making skills. Diverse opportunities. The financial markets include a wide range of asset classes such as stocks, forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This diversity allows you to tailor your trading strategy to different market conditions and spread risk across various sectors. In conclusion, trading offers not only the chance to achieve financial freedom and flexibility, but also a journey of continuous learning and growth. Every trade is an opportunity to refine your skills and embrace new challenges. I invite you to join me on my YouTube channel, Trading Nuances, where we dive deeper into these opportunities, share valuable insights, and build a community of passionate traders. Thank you for being part of this journey. Let's continue to explore the exciting world of trading together on Trading Nuances.